Year 4, you did it. Hooray, you made it to the end of term. Well done. We've got a slightly different quiz this week because it is our end of term quiz. So I recommend that you don't write anything down and you try and do it in your heads. Let's get started. Okay, this is Mrs. Cross's Out of This World end of term quiz. Question 1. Are you ready? What has our science focus been this term? Is it A, sound, B, telephones, or C, sight? The answer was A, sound. Question 2. 1,345 add 978 equals. Is it A, 2,313, B, 1,323, or C, 2,323? This is the point where you might actually want to find a piece of scrap paper and work it out using your column addition skills. Pause the video and have a go. Congratulations if you got the answer C, 2,323. Question 3. Which of these is not an expanded noun phrase? A, the green slimy toad. B, the car was red and shiny. Or C, a kind happy girl? The answer was B. That's not an expanded noun phrase. In fact, it's not a phrase at all because it's got a verb in it. Okay, question 4. What are the names of the boy's 2 pet mice in The Witches? Funnily enough, I don't think the boy ever gets named. Are his mice called A, Mary and William, B, Morag and Richard, or C, Noel and Jenny? Well done if you said A, Mary and William. Question 5. Got some anagrams here. Can you rearrange these letters to make Roman words? So these are 3 words that we have used in our topic lessons. What do you think those words might be if you rearrange the letters? Pause the video and have a think. Okay, if you managed to solve that challenge, well done, I'm impressed. The first one was soldier, the second one was empire, and the third one was column. Halfway, right. Question 6. In RE, you learnt about, was it A, figures, B, transport, or C, transfiguration? Have a think. Which one do you think it might be? The answer is C, transfiguration. Okay, question 7, our computing question. Our computing focus for the term has been A, programming, B, databases, or C, word processing. You're right if you said A, programming. Question 8 is all about our Zoom calls and our Google Meet calls, which we really love doing with you. So thank you for joining us for those. Which game have you not played on your call this term? Is it A, Two Truths and a Lie, B, Detectives, or C, Hide and Seek? The answer is C, Hide and Seek, of course. That could be quite an interesting game to play over Zoom, couldn't it? Question 9. How many days of home learning have you completed this term? Can you work it out? Is it A, 28, B, 20, or C, 32? You have actually done 28 days of independent, self-motivated home learning year 4. That is so impressive. So you really do need to give yourself the biggest pat on the back for that. And question 10, our last question. How many of those days have you all been fabulous and made us feel proud? Is it A, none, B, 15, or C, every day? Obviously, the answer is every day. You are amazing. Each and every one of you is doing an amazing job. Hey, we are so proud of you. Hey, we miss you lots and lots, but we love seeing you on the weekly calls. So thank you for joining those and putting a big smile on our faces. Thank you for all the work you've been sending through, all the messages you've sent us. Hey, it's really, really, really nice to keep in touch with you and see what you're up to. I wish you all a really lovely, restful half term, and I can't wait to see you all again in a week's time. Take care. Bye.